Hello friends, I'm Ron Brown. Welcome to my shop. I often get the question about the proper turning speed. How fast should I turn something? Well, the rule of thumb is the smaller the item, the faster you turn it. The larger the item, the slower you turn it. Why? Well, the answer is pi. Pi is the diameter of something times 3.14 gives you the number of inches around. Okay, there is an optimum speed at which the inches going by your cutter are going to work fine. If something is small, you have fewer inches per revolution going by that cutter. If you have something large, you have a much higher number of inches per minute going by the cutter. So we're talking about surface speed here. So the formula is between 6 and 9,000, and that works pretty good for bowls. It doesn't work with a flip on spindles and little stuff. But if you're turning a bowl, the overriding factor is not that formula. The overriding factor is it balanced? Because if you're turning green wood, or if you're turning something that's not perfectly round, you haven't turned it down yet, you might have to start out at 50 or 100 RPMs, or maybe 200 RPMs. Otherwise, your lathe is going to shake all over the place. So we always, in the larger items, even if it's a store-bought blank that might be sealed in wax, there can be different densities throughout that, and it might be out of balance. So you start slow, and then you turn it up to where you can't stand it anymore, and then you slow it down a little bit. A little vibration is fine. A lot of vibration is very annoying and can be dangerous. So the right speed is a personal preference, frankly. There is no such thing as a right speed. I like to turn pretty fast, a lot faster than most people, but I know some people that turn faster than I do. For my own rule of thumb, the way I figured out is if I'm uncomfortable, I'm going to slow it down a little bit. If I'm afraid, I'm going to slow it down a little bit. Otherwise, I turn pretty much as fast as I can. That's not true of sanding. Sanding, you almost always want to slow your material down to avoid burning. I'm Ron Brown. Thanks for watching.